Ooh, it's kind of sunny today, but I'm heading to H&R Block right now to knock out my taxes. Trying to do it as early as possible, and I'm gonna head to my old gym at Retro Fitness to cancel my membership. I love that gym, bro, but it's just so far from my new place and this new gym that I found literally 4 blocks away. So I'm gonna miss the homies I work out with. I'm gonna miss the times where I hit my PRs, all my lifts, but sometimes, man, you gotta keep moving forward, and maybe I make new friends over there, make new PRs. But yeah, that gym is a lot better and a lot bigger than Retro. So it's gonna suck, but at the same time, it's gonna be so cool. Hopefully I don't owe money. All right, I'm walking back home now. Finished my taxes. Process went by super fast, literally like 10-15 minutes. And I went to my old gym and canceled my membership. It kind of sucks, but man, when I went inside, I realized that I really want to cancel it because it was so packed. The gym was so packed, and it's like 11:30 in the morning on the weekend. So the gym I went to yesterday, it was so empty. It was like 5 times bigger than my old gym. So I don't really feel that bad that I'm canceling my membership. At the same time, you know, it's bittersweet. So I'm in the heart of Times Square right now, trying to find the new jiu-jitsu location that we moved to. It's just a few blocks from the original place that we used to train in. I think it's just like 3 blocks closer to the station. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I heard it's like 3 times bigger than the old place we used to train in. So pretty much more space, more time to wrestle, a lot of stand-ups. So I'm pretty stoked for that. And yeah, I'm excited to see how this place looks. Gotta be careful with that one. Man, when I used to skate, bro, every time I see this building, I always wanted to like just drop in. Always have that like imagination, like in those Tony Hawk games, just dropping from the very top and just slants down. So excited. It's like 4 floors up, but we'll get there. Whoa. It's big. Spunkers. Hey, bud. How you been, bud? Bro, I'm tired, bro. You wanna get Danny stuff? Ooh. Pick it out. But he is right. There's tattoo right here too. Yo, can't flex. Ooh. There you go. Come here, Boyle. You gotta come closer, Boyle. Alright, go.
You gotta bring it in afterwards, Kevin. There you go. What up, please?
Need a vacuum.
Vacuum? Fuck.
Oh! Oh shit! You got it! Yo, that. Whew, man. What a fun day. I'm downstairs right now. Long story short, we did some EBI overtime. Pretty much it's like if you're in a competition and let's say two guys didn't tap each other out, you go to overtime. So we did that for our drills today. Really fun. Man, I got bodied though. I think I messed up my elbow and my shoulder's been acting up. But geez, bro, the space we have now is so much better than we had before. I didn't really have to worry about bumping into my friends. Oh, I'm so tired. But yeah, I love the new place. Super fun. The jiu-jitsu endorphins are kicking in right now. I'm in a high state, as you would say, from all the grappling, all of the constant fights regarding to you not trying to die by your friend's hand, since they are trying to choke you out or break your arms. Oh, I should have crossed that street. It's always good to get that muscle memory when you train, or especially when you're in a bad spot, if someone has your back or doing an arm bar. Maybe some of the things I say right now doesn't really make sense to people who don't train jiu-jitsu or any form of combat sports. Just crossing the street right now. It's so peaceful today, man. Not a lot of people, not a lot of tourists. It's a lot of snow though.
Hi guys, it's me and Aries. We are here in the room trying to clean up. We did laundry yesterday and we just kind of left everything on the floor because we were so sleepy. We just wanted to sleep. And Aries is here to help me, right Aries? Alright guys, so we just finished. Aries is chilling over there. So how do I do this? Alright, so we cleaned up all the laundry stuff here, put it away, we wiped everything off. What else? Oh, we did the bed. We decluttered everything over there because there was a bunch of like glasses and water bottles. You know how it just gets collected. These are just extra cushions over here. And we vacuumed. And Aries is just chilling. Hi, Res. Thanks for your moral support. Thanks for your moral support. Thanks. Thanks for being so cute while I clean. Stretch. Alright, yeah, so that was it. I know it seems really fast, but it took a while. Ta-da.
Yeah, it's a lot of snow today. Oh, Jesus Christ! My camera! Time to get back at her. You sliding?
Wait! I was gonna slide down, you idiot! Go back down!
I think it's safe.
Little puppy.
Oh man, this blizzard is actually pretty fun if you're like properly dressed. Yeah, if you're properly dressed. Because before, usually, before I wasn't either layered enough or I'm wearing the wrong shoes, didn't have the right gloves.
I don't have the right gloves.
Oh, so
but
sweet.
I have the right apparel.
Oh my god, we gotta do Snow Angel at least once. I've never done a Snow Angel before.
Okay.
So we're walking. Oh my god! The camera! That was brutal. What's crazy, bro? Oh my god. Even the floor is like super wet. But the snow isn't that deep though. I mean, if we go over here, let's see. Oh! Yeah, it's almost to my, this is my kneecaps right here, is my shin. So it's about like what, 14 inches? Yeah.
So many people have already been in the park. You can see the footsteps.
I know, but we can still try and have fun. Oh baby, here is perfect. Look at the snowman right here. Babe, right here. It's perfect, look. Drop like that.
3, 2. Ah, you have to pick me up. 3, 2, 1. Aww.
It's a Tibetan snow angel.
Look at my butt. My head.
Babe, your head is so big.
No, it's not. It looks so small.
We should add a horn.
Wow.
Ah,
Snow demon?
snow demon.
That's fun. You should do it too. Go. Oh!
It's our first time doing this.
You need help? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, mine's beautiful, bro.
No, it's not. Where's mine? Oh my god, we stepped on it. Go. You look like a monkey. Oh, you fucking chimp.
Oh.
I want to try it. That looks fun.
Oh.
Great. Ooh, the wind. First, we'll like this, right?
Yeah.
And then you like.
Damn,
Okay.
bro.
Actually, that was so fun. Okay. Okay, let's go home.
You have your phone case wallet? Nothing fell off?
Yeah.
Damn it.
Flip flops, Himalayan foot, made of steel. That's a new kung fu.
Jesus
Foot of
Christ.
steel. Come on, let's go. Put my fuck up.
Let's go.
Creamy. Here you go. Creamy, fuck up, you go. Creamy. Creamy, fuck up, you go. How about this one? How about this one?
Maybe just chase her. Just run away from her. Run away from her. Bye. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Oh, shit. Yo, Teddy, you're bugging, bro.
Creamy. Don't throw her. Just let it rock. Oh, I got it. Oh, you heavy, boy. Let's go. Yeah. No, she's not having it. Creamy. She said my foot's cold, Stu.
Say, where's Derek?
He's upstairs. You're not coming. You gotta bust your ass.